This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hello guys! We're so happy you liked our crayon crafts that we decided to try and make some more.
Then let's get started.
I have no objections.
Sue, are you sure about that? I mean, you should use paint on the canvas, not crayons. And definitely not glue.
But our picture is going to be very special, Sammy. You'll see. Alright, let's glue this one. This. Ha!
That's modern art to you?
Sammy, it's not finished yet. Stop being so sarcastic. You better look how beautiful it is. Now we need to wait for it to set. In the meantime, I'll prepare the second part of our picture.
Oh, flowers.
Yes, Sammy, we're going to glue these artificial flowers to our green stems.
Susie, that's a radical new way to create 3D pictures.
I'm glad you like it, Sammy. Do you like it, guys? You can combine colors any way you want. Hey, Sam! We're crying out loud! You can't just throw trash around! Actually, we need a cup like this for the next craft. We'll put a candle wick inside.
Sam says he's sorry for littering.
Alright, I forgive him.
Hooray!
Let's break our wonderful crayon into pieces and add some more colors. It'll be very beautiful.
Did you say beautiful? I want to make something beautiful too.
Go ahead. This is the combination of colors I have.
And this is mine.
Great. Now we need to melt everything.
And while we're waiting, you have time to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell.
Ding ding, done! Let's release our creations from their paper captivity!
Alright, give me a second.
Now it's time to play sculptors for a little bit. Be careful with the cutter, guys. We need to cut off the wax pieces shaping the candle like a magic crystal. This cutter isn't working.
This one should work.
Thank you, Sammy. Let's give it a try. It really does! There!
Here's mine.
So beautiful, Sammy! Guys, give a thumbs up if you like Sam's candle.
Susie, some of our glitter crayons broke.
What shall we do? Let's try to fix things. First, we'll divide the crayons in groups by color. And now, hop! We melt them. Be careful with this stage, guys.
I sense that you'll need this now.
Sammy, you never stop surprising me.
Well, it's my job to always know what you need. Be careful, Sue. The wax is very hot.
Thank you. I'm so lucky to have you. And our new crayon is ready.
Wow, just my size.
Also, it's very convenient and beautiful.
Come on, Sue. Careful, careful.
Yes, Sam. The baking tray is really hot, so I'm using oven mitts.
Good for you. Here's the paper.
Good. Let's carefully put it on the pan.
Don't forget to secure it.
Thanks. I'm glad you're on good terms with masking tape so you don't stick to it anymore.
Well, it's all about experience.
Oh, we're going to get some new experience right now. We'll draw a picture with crayons on a hot baking tray.
I suppose our canary cook wants to know the recipe.
Yeah? Well, we'll use her crayon for sure. When the picture is set, you can remove it from the tray.
And put into a frame.
Right! Pop! Crayons on clothes?
It's just wow! Do you agree, guys?
I do agree. And to prove it, I'll draw the word wow on my t-shirt. First, let's secure the template on the t-shirt. Now we need an iron. The iron is very hot. Ask an adult to help you with this craft. Protect the iron surface with foil.
Here come glitter crayons.
Right, Sammy. Look, it's so cool! Let's apply our melted crayons to the t-shirt. There we go.
It's just some weird stain.
We should just wait a little while it sets. And now, carefully. Ta-da! Look, it's amazing!
Guys, give a thumbs up if you like Sue's new t-shirt.
Guys, which crayon craft did you like the most today? Wonderful, everlasting crayon flowers? Magic crystal-shaped crayon candles? A convenient thick glitter crayon? Our amazing picture made on a baking tray? Or a crayon drawing on a t-shirt?
Write in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Bye-bye!
Bye!
Try, Ellery. I assume you know all about first aid for berries.
No?
What would you do if one of his prize berries became sick?
Sick? What do you mean?
Thorn didn't mention how to treat berry sick indeed, or berry-tontitis extremis, or worst of all, double berryonia. No? Well, lucky I'm here. I know all about curing berry diseases. You might as well run along.
We're not leaving you in charge.
Why ever not? You've just proved you know nothing about looking after berries.
Maybe we don't, but we wouldn't eat Thorn's berries unless he said to. Could you say the same, Ellery?
If you meant to insult me, congratulations. I'll bid you farewell.
Goodbye, Ellery. Don't worry, Moss. These berries are perfectly healthy.
Thorn and Bucky are taking forever. It'll be dark soon and I'm so cold.
Firefly, will you and your friends come by later and give us some light? I think they need a song. Hey, berries, how do you do? Are you missing Thorn? I'm sure he's missing.
Stop! You're singing to berries? No, no, no. That causes berry burst. The fruit completely explodes.
Explodes?
But not to worry. I'm still available to watch them. And if for some reason you don't trust me, we will build this, the latest in berry protecting. With a trap like this, not even I could get to those berries.
It does seem better than anything we've built to protect the berries. Ooh, and maybe we could go and get warm.
Let's do it. Excellent. You two pick up twigs and spiderwebs, and I'll build the cage up in that tree.
If Buck is sniffing for truffles, I've got bad news. They aren't grown yet. They're a few days late.
That is bad news. What am I going to tell Bucky? It's his first truffle hunt.
That's a problem. Wait, does he know what truffles look like?
He just knows how they smell. From this.
Whoa, that's strong! Hey, why don't you hide this jar near any old root underground and tell him it's a truffle?
That would be dishonest.
Suit yourself, but trust me, you could be here for days.
I have to cook the end of autumn feast tomorrow night. Plus, this cold might ruin my berries. I don't have time to be here for days.
I have built an excellent cage for the berry burglar trap.
I don't see a cage.
I put it up really high so it will come down really fast.
So, the berries are safe?
Couldn't be safer. Off you go, get warm, play with your mud and yarn.
Sounds good.
Like these elegant Pauls would ever build a cage. I'll just make sure they're gone. Then I'll go get the berries.
Bucky, I just remembered that some truffles have a leafy top.
Really, Chef Thorn? I thought truffles were underground.
Well, most are, but not all. Some have green stalks with green leaves either side.
You mean like this? Let me get sniffing. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Smells like truffles to me.
That's so nice of Ellery to stand guard over the berries for us.
Yeah, and kind of weird. He's usually trying to sneak into Thorn's kitchen or take out food.
Or trick us. Ellery! You didn't build a trap at all.
Oh, you do go to lily buds. So close I could almost taste them.
We beat Ellery. Maybe we're good berry sitters after all.
Lost daffodil, frost alert! Look at this flower. It's already wilting from the cold, and it's gonna get much colder tonight.
Now we have frost to worry about. Oh, I wish I could just be home in bed under a warm blanket.
That's it. A blanket of moss to protect the berries.
Chef Thorn, this may smell like a truffle, but it looks an awful lot like a radish.
It's fine, Bucky. Look at that flower. We have to get back to the berries right now. Bring the radish, I mean bring the truffle.
Good evening, friends. I feel bad about what happened earlier, and, What's that? Where are the berries?
Oh, Ellery, you were so right about berry burst. I sang again, and they burst, just like you said.
I made up something true?
So, the berries were safe and warm under a moss blanket.
As safe and warm as berries can be. Thank you, you two. Good job.
Chef Thorn, I'm sorry to tell you this, but that thing is definitely not a truffle. I let you down.
Oh, no, Bucky, you didn't. I found out from BB that it's too early for truffles, and I knew this was a radish. I also knew you wouldn't give up until you found a real truffle, so I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. It was great practice for when we go back.
You're right. And next time, we'll go for the whole night.
Will you need berry sitters, Thorn?
No, the berries will be over. They won't need looking after. But my pumpkin patch might need watching.